Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not aware already, my name is Tyler Wright, and today I filmed a St. Patty's Day look for you. I love it. I actually wore it last year, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. To start off with, I'm going to be using my Fantabulous, my Smashbox Primer Water, just to hydrate my face. For my perfect pore filling primer, I'm going to be going in with my Dr. BRANDT Pores No More, and I'm going to be putting that on my forehead, my nose, my cheeks, and my chin. For the foundation that will stay on my face all night during St. Patty's Day, I'm going to be using my go-to Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. My go-to for covering up my under eyes as well as highlighting my face is going to be my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I will put that on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, of course, like I said before, my under eyes, as well as my chin.
It's the unknown, the unknown.
To set my under eyes and everywhere else I highlighted, I'm going to be using my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette in the shade Incandescent Light. And you can tell I love it because I have hit pan on it and I'm going to run out of it fairly soon. Now to set the rest of my face, and also to give myself a healthy glow, I'm going to be going back in the same palette and using the shade Radiant Light. For my absolute favorite natural bronzer color, I'm going to be using Dim Light from the same palette as well.
You make me feel like home. You turn around, I feel the breeze over me. Your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me.
Now to contour the face, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. And I'm going to be contouring my cheeks, my chin, my temples, my forehead, and just a little bit under my lip.
I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you to help me set me free. I'm calling for you. I'm calling for you.
Now I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit, and I'm going to dip into every single shade and pretty much douse my entire face. So that'll be my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin.
Your faith with the palm of your hands. I know, yeah, I know. It's the unknown, the unknown.
This is a newer love of mine. This is my Tarte Amazonian Clay palette, and I'm taking the orangey shade Fortunate and putting that all over my cheeks.
I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you.
Now to set the face base with L'Oreal Setting Spray. Now for my eyes, I'm going into the Full Spectrum palette and taking Calavera and putting that in my crease from outer corner to inner corner with a big fluffy brush.
I'm calling for you.
For my next shade, I'm going to be taking Mean. That is also going to be going from the outer corner to the inner corner in my crease, just a little bit lower so you can still see Calavera. And also I'm actually going to go back into Calavera just to blend out Mean just a little bit more. Now for the star of the show, I'm going to actually be taking Hatter and putting that in my crease as well from outer corner to inner corner, but just at the lowest point so that when I put it all over my lid, everything will mesh beautifully together.
You make me feel like home. You turn around.
And as always, I'm going to be using my fingers to put the eyeshadow all over my lid because I find that is the tool that works the best for me.
Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you to help me set me free. I'm calling for you. I'm calling for you.
Now I'm going to be going back into Calavera and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line from outer to inner corner. Now I'm going to be going back in with Mad Hatter again, and I'm also going to be putting that on my lash line, but I'm going to be using a pencil brush so that it's a little bit closer to my lash line so you can still see the Calavera shade.
It's the unknown, the unknown. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy.
Now for my inner corner, we're going to be taking the shade Goldmine.
And I'm calling you to help me set me free. I'm calling for you.
Now going back into the Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit, I'm just going to be taking Glow Getter and just popping that on the brow bone. Now going in with my holy grail mascara primer, my Lancome CILS Booster XL. I've tried others, nothing can compare to this one. I love it so much. I'm gonna stop now. And now the perfect mascara to go with the mascara primer is going to be my Benefit Roller Lash.
You make me feel like home. You turn around, I feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you to help me set me free. I'm calling for you. I'm calling for you. Lie all the fate of the world in your plans, guarding your faith with a
And now going in with my nub of a lip liner, my NYX Cosmetics lip liner in Peekaboo Neutral.
It's the unknown, the unknown.
Now to finish off the lips, I'm going to be going in with my MAC Cosmetics lipstick in Kinda Sexy. Oh, I love this color so much. So much.
I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you to help me set me free.
Now I'm going in my waterline with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil in Base 2. Now to finish off the look with some L'Oreal setting spray. Well guys, that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you'd like to see another St. Patty's Day look, make sure you put it in the comments below. And if you really did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!